go to selection group, select this and delete it. Okay, now you need to pick line and draw a half line from here and another half line from here. Now you need to bring again circle and draw in the middle of these both lines. And draw another circle in that previous circle. Now you need to go to again selection group and select this half again and delete it. Now you need to pick line and draw a line from here. Now you need to pick curve and draw like this. Curve it and repeat this thing again and again on this igloo. Now you need to pick line and draw lines like this. Now you need to pick again curve and curve it like this. Now time for fill with color. Now igloo is always white color, but I will color blue. We will left white in this one, okay, this side. Now I will draw some backgrounds for it, like a snowman or something, because igloos are mostly found in polar. No? I will draw snowman in blue color. Now I will pick brown color for snowman's hand, because snowman's head are made of wood. Pick line and draw a line from here. Do you like this? Now you need to pick circle and black color from here. I will draw 3 stones in the belly. Okay, now I will do black in the stones, because stones are black. Now I will draw again 2 circles here. Favorite color with black again. And now I will draw a lot of stones in shape of curve, because I will make mouth with that stones. Now I will fill with color in these stones too. Now time for topping. The snowman will wear a cute little scarf and a hat. Now I will pick curve. Do you like this? Now I will make a pom-pom on top. I will color yellow in the hat. And now I will draw a cute little red scarf. Now I will pick red in color 1 and color 2, pick rectangle and take solid fill in color 1 and color 2. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Bye bye.